Yes. And then there was £16.99 old school games. Game Gear, Super Nintendo. Oh my god. What am I going to do? I don't know where to go. Oof. Right, let me get into this. Yes. Street Fighter. Cheese at its best. Amazing. I'm on it. Yes, Super Monaco GP. Right game. This is what we played with when we were younger. What do you think to the pixels? There's a lot in there. Select it then. Select Doom.
I've played this before.
Have you?
I had one at my home.
Oh wow, can you even read that? I totally thought this was Ace as well.
That looks so weird.
It's not actually that bad, is it? I think some are better than others. Was that a little giggle?
Those can't be circles. Those are not circles.
He had a little giggle then.
Those are 100% not circles. I'm too...
What, are they more of a 50p piece?
Hey, not too... Medium. What?
Oh wow, maybe we should sit further back. Apparently the old Mario is black and white. Come on man, give it some conviction, run and jump.
I just messed up my legs.
I think we might be here all day, might we? We'll be here all day. Should we find the one with colour? Altered Beast, Moonwalker. That's all I want to play. Man, I thought it was called Dr. Evil. Egghead. What was he called?
He was called Eggman.
Oh,
then they changed it.
Dude.
Oh, I'm just getting back on the game.
Are you going back on the same one?
Yeah. Let's type in.
Ugh, good. Admin. Yes, Altered Beast. Oh, there's two of you. There was two of you. Because it goes power up, and then it like just grows in size. It's amazing.
This looks cringe.
Why did it look cringe? Don't say that. I used to play this all the time.
How did...
Oh, come on, man. Figure it out. I'm recording here.
I'm trying my best.
I don't think you are. Right, I think this is...
I've like 100 questions.
Right, go, go, go.
Worst
Kill
clothes
everything.
ever.
Kill everything
I'm a
and
Mortal
turn into
Kombat
a
queen,
beast.
so yeah, this is easy. I'm the best in some Mortal Kombat, so yeah. What kind of move is this?
Just if you have to kick the sky for shits and giggles. Come on, I want you to power up. You're definitely gonna power up now. Come on, take him down. Take him out of Chinatown. Can't get these bad boys. Oh, I feel like there's a power up needed happening soon. Hi, you can. Oh no, that's Street Fighter.
No, that's Goku. That's Dragon Ball.
Oh, is it?
Kaioken.
No, it's not Street Fighter.
No, Kaioken I think is Dragon Ball.
Are you dead?
Yes.
Why do I bother? Just tell me that.
Why do they run? Why do they walk like... Why do they walk like... They'll walk weirdly.
The pixels are stopping him from fluid motion. Oh.
I'm messed at this.
I really thought it was slower, this game. It's quite fast. Get this guy with his chest puffed out. Yeah, get him in his nads. What about Pterodactyl? Uppercut, uppercut.
That looks like Shazam, the Pokemon. That looks like the Pokemon Shazam. Okay, I got one question. Why is that guy shooting lightning at thin air? show for powers of lightning.
Yeah, there's nobody there, but still lightning.
The dwarves are jumping on us.
I'll go with two-headed bear.
I can't believe you
It's a wolf.
came and nicked his power-ups.
He's done this with my awesome.
Huxley, we need to grab.
Oh,
We need to grab the wolf. Huxley, we need to leave one for me next time.
Eli,
I'm red. You're blue.
The electrical guy.
Eli, quick.
Oh.
You were the worst, Huxley.
You're the worst.
Uppercut
Okay,
to
I'm
the pterodactyl.
I died because
What
of
is
you.
that?
I died because of you. Why are you helping me?
Oh,
These are starter monsters.
my beautiful cat.
I can
Oh,
afford
no.
this alone. I need to wait here.
You gotta crouch and punch the wolf.
Oh, get it. Yes!
Yes! Yes! I'm a wolf! Fireball!
Oh, what a game.
Okay, so 3 hours. I know! Okay, Huxley,
What's he doing?
you take one arm, then go backward. I take the other.
Laser him. I want to see what the next form is.
The next form, I think, is a bat.
So you need to get 3 to be Altered Beast.
What's
They're
happening?
coming thick and fast now, boys. Look at him, he's got a right
Oh
strut.
gosh! Press B, Huxley! Press
Stop
B!
bending over.
Press B! Press B! Press B!
I'm dead.
Oh my, is that you doing that?
Press B!
That's a new one.
Press B! Press B!
dead.
Press B!
I think
Press B!
you-
Press B!
Are you just telling yourself to press
Press
B?
Kick it. I'll deal with the heads. No, I'll deal with the wolves. So you deal with the monsters.
No! The wolves give you the orbs! No!
I feel like
We'll
it's a
team
good deal.
Against them. We'll team up on the wolves.
One orb for you, one
I'll
orb for
attack- You
me.
attack wolves, I'll attack the
The hell are they? I feel like they're
No, if we die.
blue slimers. Oh, come on, man. You got this far.
Okay.
Never give up.
Was that on your head?
May I say, that was my character I just became.
It's literally.
You just took my character.
Oh, this is so
Can you
funny.
give me some...
Oh, what is that now? God,
Maybe
tremors.
Well, snakes.
I tell you what, this is fast going for like 30 years ago or 40 years ago, whatever it was. Oh my
Is that a
God.
turkey or a dinosaur?
Kind of sort.
Yeah.
Huxley?
Stay in our position. We're killing the ice before they touch us.
Yeah. You gotta get him from the main source.
Yes.
The biggest eye dies. Who is that guy?
He keeps taking my orb.
No,
I know.
my balls! My balls!
I don't turn into a vampire dragon thing.
He keeps surrendering you from all your powers, and then you gotta go again on a different level,
Maybe
I
I'm
guess.
becoming a bear.
Clearly, he knows none of our power.
Oh, look at that. What's going on here? Some sort of... What was that? Jesus.
That's what I was thinking.
I think we're gonna become moles, Huxley. I think we're
Ah.
gonna become moles, like mole people. A
I
mole,
want to
or
be a mole
bats.
person.
I wanna be a mole person too. Unless we'll be digging under the ground.
I mean, who knew you'd like this game
The
so
mole
much?
vids will be digging under the ground. It's fun!
No, it is. That's why I like it.
Give me the orbs. Yep, I was
It
the
was
yellow wolf.
great. No, I was the yellow wolf. I was the yellow wolf. He was
Did
great.
you see that there was
He's all
everyone
sick.
had beers at the end? Did you see
No,
that?
did you see we took a suit off? Was it just suit?
Lads completed it. Completed it, mate. That is mental. So that's it then?
Yeah.
Well, did you do that in 2 hours? You'd have ruled at the
What's our
arcade.
moonwalk game? What's our moonwalk game?
Alright, go get your tea and we'll do Moonwalker, yeah? Sega! Yeah, whack Moonwalker in. Yes, please.
2 players start.
Indeed.
Come on, Huxley, go. Give me all doing it.
As if this is the coolest thing ever.
I just had to say that. I just had to say that. I just had to.
Whatever blows your skirt up.
Shimane.
This is so cool.
It's a multiplayer. Huxley, click. Click
Yeah,
that.
you gotta find all the baddies and kick their asses. All I know is there's one button, you press it, it does grabs his crotch, everyone dies. Yeah! Bloody loved this game as a kid. Okay, get you sent up the stairs. Jump on the table. Bang the
I'm not
jukebox.
playing, you are.
Do we get maybe have tea first and then we'll get back to this.
Okay, I love.
Ah, right, told you.